Everyone can relate to the spark of inspiration and adventure invoked by the great outdoors. Whether you're packing up your family and hitting the open road, or flying into nature on your favorite ATV, the 2021 Salem Cruise Lite toy haulers is one of the best introductions to the possibilities the RV lifestyle has to offer. The toy hauler has evolved from an industrial mobile man cave to a versatile, open concept living space where your only limit is your imagination. The 2021 Salem Cruise Lite toy haulers allows you to access wide open spaces, escape your worries, and finally take that breath of fresh air you've been longing for. Forest River pulled out all the stops on their design, ensuring the perfect balance of durability and ease. Every inch of this exterior demonstrates that it is right at home in any outdoor setting. You will be road ready in half the time with a power tongue jack, making hooking up and heading out as smooth as the summer breeze we all chase. Establish the ultimate base camp for your weekend adventures with a full-length awning and conveniently located liquid propane hookups, turning your campsite into the optimal barbecue hangout. After a long day of enjoying your unparalleled surroundings, whether it's going on a hike, enjoying a dip in the lake, or ripping through the trails on your favorite dirt bike, the Cruise Lite's exterior shower feature will restore and rejuvenate you, with the added benefit of not tracking in mud and dirt into your home away from home. Every Cruise Lite comes fully equipped with solar-ready hookups, giving you the option of maximum self-sufficiency while you're out experiencing life away from the grind. Leave no gear behind with a premium pass-through storage, opening you up to the possibilities of what you can bring with you into the wild. Last and certainly not least, supporting all these peak exterior highlights is the Morai chassis, reinforced with strong arm leveling jacks. This dynamic chassis is perfectly designed to provide the best stability for you and your toys. The Salem Cruise Lite T251SSXL undoubtedly dominates any terrain you decide to tackle. However, the true versatility of this toy hauler comes to light when you first step inside. Now here's where the real fun comes in. The fully customizable lounge area dramatically transforms from a cozy living space for your loved ones into the ultimate utility room for anything and everything you could want to have an incredible time at any destination. To wrap it all up, the Power Loft is just as versatile as the rest of this open concept living space. This Cruise Lite's layout ingenuity continues to be reflected in the fully equipped kitchenette that will never leave you wanting. Outfitted with the luxury Furrion appliances, you'll find everything you need to cook a hearty meal after a full day of play. Enjoy your favorite foods with the help of the Easy Latch refrigerator doors, the stainless steel microwave oven, and the 3-burner cooktop. Another enticing bonus of this Cruise Lite T251SSXL is the bathroom's efficient and convenient design, boasting a residential vanity with a spacious storage cabinet beneath. You'll find the bathroom unit to be roomier than anything you're used to in a toy hauler. The 2021 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite T251SSXL isn't just a toy hauler. It's both the doorway to a new lifestyle of ultimate freedom for you and the ones you love, and it's key. Now all you have to do is grab life by the wheel and step on through. Breathe easy and let your imagination do the rest. I'm Ryan Kelly with Beaver Coach Sales and Service, and I look forward to seeing you down the road.